Hello my friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan and today I'll be guiding you through a new 15-minute cardio fighters workout. This is going to be a 15-minute workout composed of 14 different exercises. We're going to go ahead and get right into it. This is going to be composed of cardio. We're going to get moving. Let's go ahead and begin. First up, we have jogging in place. We're going to go ahead and put 45 seconds on the clock. That'll be followed by 15 seconds of rest. Let's go ahead and begin. Again, we're starting with a nice light jog, moving in place, moving nice and light on our feet, getting our hands and arms involved as we breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth, focusing on our breath, getting our heart rate up here. Keep your head and chest up and keep on moving. We have 15 seconds left of this move. We're going to go ahead and go into a 15-second rest. Last couple of seconds. Great job, my friends. Go ahead and take a 15-second rest. Get yourself some water. Let's go ahead and get ready to move into our next workout, or exercise, which is going to be jumping rope. We're going to move nice and light on our feet. Again, getting our hands and arms involved. Go ahead and join me. We're skipping rope with our imaginary jump rope. Focusing on breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Nice and light movement on our toes. Keeping our head and our chest up, we breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. We have 15 seconds left of this move. We'll be taking another 15-second rest. Here we go, last couple of seconds. Great job, my friends. We're gonna go ahead and go into another 45 seconds of exercises. Next up, we have an alternation between a jab and a straight punch. We're in a nice strong fighter stance. Hands are up. Here we go. Jab and straight. Nice clean punches. Moving and breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Standing nice and strong. Alternating between jab and straight. We continue punching and breathing. We have a couple of seconds left here. We're going to go ahead and take another 15-second rest. Great job, my friends. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. Next up, we have another 45 seconds of punches. This time, again, standing in our fighter stance, we're going to go ahead and throw a jab and a right hook. We're going to go ahead and move with that for 45 seconds. Jab and right hook. Nice and clean form. Focus on breathing, moving with control, and keeping your head and your chest up. Focus on your breath. We have 15 seconds left of this move, and we're going to switch to our opposite side. Last couple of seconds. Finish up your rep. Great job, my friends. Go ahead and take another short 15-second rest. Next up, we're going to switch sides. We're going to switch our fighter stance, right foot forward this time, and we're going to lead with a straight to a left hook. Straight, left hook. We're just taking it to the opposite side. Continue to move with control. Nice clean punches. Keeping our head and our chest up. We breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. Great job, keep on moving. Nice clean, straight, and left hook. We have a couple of seconds left here. Great job, my friends. Go ahead and take another 15. For this next move, we're gonna take it down to the ground. We're gonna go ahead and do an arm and leg raise variation. We're going to lean back, arms come out to our sides and up, and our legs come off the ground. We're going to exhale as we breathe our legs and bring them in. Exhale to return to your starting position, and repeat. Inhale, open up. Exhale, bring your legs in. Inhale, open up. Exhale in. Inhale out. Move with your breath. Focus on your form. And if you need a variation, focus on your legs. You can also work your way up to the full motion by isolating the lower part of this exercise. Great job, my friends. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and go into sit-ups. We're gonna do another 45 seconds of core exercises. Again, we're going to sit up nice and strong, exhaling as we come up, inhaling as we return to our starting position. Inhale down, exhale up, inhale down, exhale up. Focus on your breath. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, come up. Make sure you keep your neck and your spine neutral. Focus on your breath. Great job, my friends. Go ahead, step it up. Go ahead and relax for another 15 seconds. Next up, we're gonna go into a speed bag punch for 45 seconds. We're gonna find a nice strong stance, and we're going to move as if we're hitting an imaginary speed bag. Right, left, find your flow, and keep those arms moving. This should get your shoulders nice and fired up. Move with control. Nice strong stance. Focus on your breath. And we move right, left. Hitting our imaginary speed bag here. Last couple of seconds. Great job, my friends. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and go into an uppercut combination. Again, we're gonna start with jab and a right uppercut. 45 seconds, let's go. Jab, right uppercut. Jab, right uppercut. Focus on your breath. Move with control. We have jab and right uppercut. Protecting, keeping ourselves up. Go jab and uppercut. We have 10 seconds left of this, and we're going to be switching sides. Last couple of seconds. Finish up your rep. Great job, my friends. Take another 15-second rest. We're gonna switch sides. This time, we're gonna go ahead and go with a straight punch to a right uppercut. Again, we have 45 seconds on the clock. Let's go ahead and begin. Straight, right uppercut. Straight, right uppercut. Focus on breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Your head and your chest up. Nice strong stance, and we move with control. Last couple of seconds here. Great job, my friends. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and do some steam engines. We're gonna bring our arms up out to our sides. We're going to stand shoulder width stance with our legs. We're gonna bring in one leg at a time towards the center, meeting with our elbows. Crunching, meeting left elbow to right knee, and vice versa. Focus on your breath. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Moving with control here. We have a couple of seconds left. Great job, my friends. Next up, we have another 15-second rest, and that's gonna be followed by a squat walk side to side, keeping our hands up in a defense stance. Again, we're starting, nice squat, and we're gonna be moving in a squat walk side to side, reaching the end of the mat and returning to the opposite side. Focus on sending your booties back here. Keep your head and your chest up. And breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Keeping our hands up. We continue to move with coordination, engaging our glutes and our legs through this squat walk. Great job, my friends. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. Next up, we're taking it down to the ground. We're going to move and come into a high plank. Hands are nice and close in a diamond shape. And we're going to have an alternating shoulder tap. Focusing on creating a nice straight line from head to toe and focusing on not swaying from left to right. Breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth as we tap, alternating shoulders. And focus on keeping our core engaged here. Keeping our booties nice and low. We have a couple of seconds left here. Great job. Go ahead, take a 15-second rest. We're gonna go, stay down. We're gonna go into a forearm plank next. Again, coming down into our forearms. We go right back into that plank. This time holding, creating a straight line from neck to feet, keeping our booties nice and low and our core engaged. Focus on your form and your breath. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Great job. Focus on your form. Last couple of seconds here. Go ahead, stand up. We have one last set here. Just kidding, we're all done. That was a 15-minute workout. I hope you enjoyed this routine. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. I post instructional routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much for watching.